Alright, hello guys, welcome to another programming video where I basically write the prime checking algorithm in Python. Yeah, let's just do this right now. Okay, so I'm already gonna get started. So the algorithm that I'm gonna use is basically I'm gonna go through every number below the number that the user gave me, and I'm gonna check if it's a factor of the number that the user gave me. And if it is, then I'm gonna store it into an array of factors, okay? And now if that factors array has only two elements, that means that the number that the user gave me is a prime number, because prime numbers only have two factors, which is 1 and itself. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. N is equal to int of input, and I won't check all of those, like if the input is a integer and if the input has characters like A, B, C and stuff like that. I won't go into that much detail, but yeah. So the int of the input, enter an integer to check if it's a prime number or not. Okay? And then, yeah, that was pretty easy. And then, what do I do next? And I have to write the whole algorithm, right? So, for I in range, I'm going like for I in n, right? No, sorry. For I in range from 0 to that number. But if I just write n, then it will go to the number below n, and I want to also include n, so I have to do n plus 1. And then I don't have to put the step. So so this will basically iterate through each number from, I should say 1, no, yeah, from 1 to the number itself, okay? Okay, so this will basically iterate through all the numbers between 1 and the number that the user gave me. So after this, I have to go like if n modulus I is equal to 0. Now this basically means if I is a factor of n, then do something. Okay. So if it is a factor, then I need to append it to an array that I'll create after. Dot append I. Over here, I'm just gonna put factors. Equals to boom boom. Now, yeah, and now if factors, if the length of the factors is equal to 2, then print yes, your number is a prime number. Else print nope, your number is not a prime number. Okay? So basically what I did here, I asked the user to give the program an integer, and then I went through each integer below that integer that the user gave me, and I checked if it was a factor of that integer that the user gave me. Okay? And then if it was a factor, I would take that number and store it into a factors array. And then at the end of my for loop, I basically just got that factor array and I checked how many elements it had inside. And if it had 2 elements, that would mean that the number that the user gave me was a prime number, because prime numbers have 2 factors, which is 1 and itself. Okay? So like if it was 5, then it'll be 1 and 5. So that's the prime number. But if it was 9, then that'll be 1, 3, and 9. Okay? And that's 3 factors. So it's not a prime number. Okay? So yeah. Let's just check if it works. Run module. Enter an integer to check if it's a prime number or not. 62, that should not be a prime number. Nope, your number is not a prime number. Correct. And 11. That's bad. Okay, let me go to like factors. 4. Oh, sorry. I put an and over there. I should put a modulus. Sorry. Yeah. So like modulus checks if like the remainder after division. I don't know why I put and. I don't know. So 11. Yeah. Yes, your number is a prime number. So thanks for watching, guys. It was a very short video, but yeah, a very simple one too. And yeah, see you in the next video.